In this video, you will learn how to become a notary loan signing agent in Arkansas. This video will show you the steps to teach you how to become a notary loan signing agent in Arkansas. The first 8 steps will show you how to become a notary public, since this must be done first. Then, the last step will discuss how to take your notary commission and make money as a notary signing agent in Arkansas. Step 1. Meet the basic requirements. The first step to become a notary signing agent in Arkansas is that you will need to meet all of the minimum requirements set by the state of Arkansas. These are as follows. You must be at least 18 years of age. You will need to be a legal resident of Arkansas. You must be able to read and write English. Step 2. Get a surety bond. The next step to become a notary loan signing agent in Arkansas is that you will need to obtain a $7,500 surety bond. This is a requirement of the state. To purchase a surety bond, you must get it from a surety insurance company that is authorized to conduct business in Arkansas. Be sure that the name you use on the surety bond is exactly the same name you use on your notary seal. Remember, the surety bond is not meant to protect you as the notary public, but is meant to protect those to whom you perform notary services. You should consider getting errors and omissions insurance if you need protection. Step 3. Create an online account. Next on the road to become a notary signing agent in Arkansas is that you will need to register and create an account on the Arkansas Secretary of State Online Business Service Center website. You will need to enter your personal information as well as your surety bond details. Step 4. Pass the online Arkansas Notary exam. The next step on your journey to become a notary loan signing agent in Arkansas is that you will need to pass the Arkansas Notary exam. This exam consists of 25 multiple choice questions, and you will need a score of 80% or higher to pass. You can study for this exam by reviewing the Arkansas Notary Handbook. We have placed the link to the handbook below this video. You will also find free online notary training in the Arkansas Notary Management System. You can take this exam only 2 times in 12 months. Step 5. Submit your notary application. The next step in the process to become an Arkansas notary loan signing agent is that you will need to submit your notary application. After you pass the exam, you will be immediately directed to the application page and you will need to complete the application. Be sure to complete the application at that time, or else you will need to retake the exam. Be sure that the name you use on the application is the exact same name you used on your surety bond. Once you have completed the application, print it out and have it notarized by an Arkansas notary who is in good standing with the state. After getting the application notarized, you can mail the original, notarized application to the Arkansas Secretary of State. Be sure to include a copy of the surety bond. Do not send the original. You will also need to include the $20 application fee in the form of a check or money order made payable to the Secretary of State's office. Send these documents to Arkansas Secretary of State Business and Commercial Services Division, 1401 West Capitol Avenue, Suite 250, Little Rock, Arkansas 72201. You can also submit the application and documents in person to the Arkansas Secretary of State's Business and Commercial Services Division located at 1401 W Capitol, Suite 250, Little Rock, Arkansas 72201. It will take approximately 2 to 4 weeks for the Arkansas Notary Commission to process your application once it has been received. It can take another 7 to 10 business days to mail the oath of commission certificates to your home. To be sure you have no problems in the processing of your application, be sure that the notary who notarizes your application is in good standing and that they correctly notarize the affidavit at the bottom of the application. Also, make certain that the name printed on the bond, printed on the application, and signed on the application match. All 3 names must be identical. Step 6. Review oath of commission certificates and take oath. The next step to become a notary loan signing agent in Arkansas is that you will need to review the oath of commission certificates once you receive them. There will be 3 copies of the commission certificates. Once you have verified everything is correct, you will need to take the commission certificates to the Recorder of Deeds in your county of commission. This could be the circuit clerk or it could be the county clerk. You will then sign all of the certificates in front of the clerk. You will also take an oath and officially swear that you will faithfully perform your duties as a notary public. The documents will then be signed by the clerk. One copy of the certificate will be filed at the clerk's office along with the original bond. You will also keep one copy for your own records. You will need to send the last copy to the Secretary of State. The clerk will then give you a certificate of commission and your notary public identification card. Step 7. Obtain your notary business supplies. Next, to become a notary signing agent in Arkansas, you will need to obtain a notary stamp. You may need to show your completed oath certificate and your ID card before any stamp maker will issue the seal of office. Here is information from the state of Arkansas about the seal of office. Each notary public must have a seal of office, which can be either a rubber stamp or a metal embosser. The seal must be in blue or black ink and include the following information. The notary public's official name is written in his/her official signature. The notary's county of commission, the county where his or her bond is filed. The words Notary Public in Arkansas. Notary Public's commission expiration date. Notary Public's commission number. The seal of office may not include. Great Seal of the State of Arkansas. Outline of the State of Arkansas. Part of being a notary loan signing agent in Arkansas is that you will need to keep a notary journal. The state of Arkansas does not require that you keep a journal, but it's a good practice to do so. You can get a journal at most office supply stores. Step 8. Register as an eNotary. This step to become a notary signing agent in Arkansas is not mandatory. If you wish to streamline your notary business, you may want to consider becoming an eNotary. This will help to make your record keeping more convenient, and it helps to make the delivery of documents easier. You will still need to meet in person with a notary client. You will be able to electronically notarize documents rather than use pen and ink. We have placed a link to the Arkansas eNotary information below this video. Step 9. Get educated. This step is also not a state requirement to become a notary loan signing agent in Arkansas. However, if you wish to learn how to take your notary public practice and make money as a notary loan signing agent, you will need to get educated. We have placed a link to one of the top loan signing agent courses below this video. This course can help you learn what it takes to succeed as a loan signing agent, actually get jobs and turn this into something bigger than a part-time career. Note, the information in this video is subject to change. Check with your state to verify current requirements. This video is not intended as legal advice and/or state/federal notary public training. Check with your state to be sure that loan signing agents are utilized in the closing process. Always follow your state's notary laws and best practices. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel.